returning without judgment meditation. Sit in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to arrive. Breathe into your abdomen. Close your eyes. You can keep your eyes open, gazing into the horizon. Take slow inhalations and longer exhalations. Bring awareness to your breath. Watch the inhalation and the exhalation. You don't need to do anything to fix, change. Just be an observer of the ebb and flow of your breathing. Know that it's normal for your mind to go wander. Always come back to your breath. Be any thought arise from the unknown, just noticing them. This is not the time for criticizing, condemning. Do not force silence. Just simply and gently come back to your breath. Again and again. Every time we return to our breath, we strengthen our discipline. When the monkey mind tries to distract you, keep focusing on your breath. There is no need to fight, criticize, or condemn. Allow things to move like clouds in the sky. And now allow yourself to come back. Take one deep breath into your abdomen. Allow yourself to acknowledge that breathing is not a practice, the returning the practice. And like it's not shaking, it's being shaken. Let the energy from your head settle into your heart, and the energy of your heart settle into your lower abdomen. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes.